Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn on VC in Roblox. First of all, open up the Roblox app. After getting into its app, go into Privacy, which you will be able to find in Settings. Then, from Privacy, tap on Account Info. It will take you back to Setting, and from here, go tap to see your account info. Now, you have to make sure that you verify your age already. To turn on the mic, you need to verify your age first. Once you verify your age, get back to Settings and tap on the security option from here. Now, you will find the voice control option right here. Then, all you need to do is tap to turn that option on from here. After doing it, you can use the voice chat while using Roblox. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.